Good morning, children. Welcome to English Reader Class 1. Today we are going to study Chapter 2. The name of the chapter is My Sweet Sweet Home. Now let us read the chapter. Raj is the name of a boy. He is 6 years old. He lives in Delhi. This is his house. It is a beautiful house. He lives here with his family. It has 6 rooms. The rooms are very airy. He keeps his house neat and clean. बच्चों, राज एक लड़का का नाम है। वह 6 वर्ष का है। वह दिल्ली में रहता है। यह उसका घर है। यह एक सुंदर घर। यहाँ वह अपने परिवार के साथ रहता है। इस घर में 6 कमरे हैं और सभी कमरे बहुत ही हवादार हैं। वह अपने घर को साफ सुथरा रखता है। There is a beautiful garden in his house. There are many trees and plants with beautiful flowers. He waters the plants daily. There are butterflies on the plants. उसके घर में वहाँ पर एक सुंदर सा बागान है। वहाँ पर फूल से लदे हुए छोटे बड़े बहुत से पेड़ पौधे हैं। वह सभी पौधों को रोज़ पानी पिलाता है। हम देख सकते हैं कि पौधों में तितलियां मंडरा रही है। We can see the butterflies on the plants. Just now we have gone through the chapter and there were some hard words. So the hard words are written here. The first one is house, which means a building in which people live. Usually the people belonging to one family. एक मकान जिसमें लोग रहते हैं। सामान्य रूप से एक परिवार के लोग रहते हैं। Second one is airy, open and having fresh air. खुला और हमेशा शुद्ध हवा की जगह। Third one is family, पेरेंट्स एंड देयर चिल्ड्रेन। परिवार जहाँ माता पिता और बच्चे रहते हैं। फोर्थ वन इज बटरफ्लाई, विच मीन्स अ फ्लाई विच ब्यूटीफुल कलर्ड विंग्स, जिसका अर्थ है तितली। चिल्ड्रेन, नाउ लेट अस डू सम एक्सरसाइज फ्रॉम द गिवन चैप्टर एंड द आंसर आई हैव गिवन for each at the end of the chapter. Section A, tick against the correct answer and fill in the blanks. First one is Raj lives in dash. A. Delhi, B. Agra, C. Mumbai. Second, Raj keeps his house neat and dash. A. Clean, B. Dirty, C. Closed. Third one is there is a beautiful dash in his house. A. Gate, B. Shop, C. Garden. Fourth one is Raj waters the dash daily. A. Plants, B. Streets, C. Terrace. Section B, answer the following questions. First one, हाउ ओल्ड इज राज? राज कितना वर्ष का है? सेकेंड, हु लिव्स विथ राज इन हिज हाउस? राज के घर में उसके साथ कौन रहता है? थर्ड वन इज हाउ मेनी रूम्स आर देयर इन राज हाउस? राज के घर में कितने कमरे हैं? फोर्थ वन इज व्हाट डज राज डू इन द गार्डन? राज अपने बागान में क्या करता है? सेक्शन सी, Rearrange these words and make meaningful sentences. One has been done for you. First one is 6 old Raj years is. The meaningful sentence is Raj is 6 years old. In the same way, you have to make meaningful sentences and match your answer with the given answer at the end of this chapter. Second one is house is Raj big. Third one, keeps house his clean Raj. Fourth, daily waters Raj the plants. Children, this one you have to do by yourself. See the picture just opposite, and words also are given in the opposite. Match the words in column A with their opposites in column B. Column A and column B. First one is big, bada. Second one is clean, sharp. Third one is fast, tej. Column B. First one is slow, dheere. Second one is small, chota. Third one is dirty, ganda. Here are the answers for given above exercise. So you have to match your answers with these answers. In this way we have finished the second chapter. Thank you.